everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to draw Sussie. Squawk, squawk. Start to draw the hand. I'm going to use a ruler to do it. And then now draw another line. And then color in the hat. Eyes. Doesn't have to be perfect. And inside. Imagine if you had 3 eyeballs. That would be so creepy. But Sussie looks cute with 3 eyeballs. Yeah, true. It's looking all different ways. Today's going to be different. We're going to color in straight away. After we drew it. Can you see this yellow quite loud? I'll just do brown. Don't use mine? I'll just use brown. Okay. Wait, well it's still the same color, but it's getting more darker. It's more fast. Next. Okay. Now we are going to draw the string here. And then it goes down a little, and then can't see there, goes down a little, and then draw tiny T. Okay, now shut it like that. Okay, very good. Oh, don't forget to do this thing. The beak. And then come down here. And then draw the wing. Done. Now draw the tail. It's very much more thicker. Oh, it's fine. Now come down here and curve here. And then go here. No.
And then the legs.
Nope.
And instead we're going to straight away colour it in.
Yeah, and we
But right now we aren't. But for the beak we didn't, you know.
No, we're going to do that later.
3. Let me do 2 dots. Can I just...
Now we're going to do this. Quickly, finish.
What am I gonna do?
Finish.
What are we gonna do?
Make the sticker. And then color in. You look so cute. Draw these circles and this curve and color them in. Going to draw the legs to be really thin.
So thin.
And then color in the legs. Now color in the... You already colored in the tail.
Oh yeah, I thought you said colour in this for the tail. It's because
Now we are going to
that
color
one is
it.
not there. Okay. Colour himself in.
With the Sharpie very lightly.
Oh yes. Oh well, it looks like I have a moustache. Should I draw a moustache on it? Finish it. Moustache. Look at my moustache. And what if it blends into the hats? And now it's blending into all the black. Oh no! Well, these are going to get everything coloured.
Yeah.
These are cool and the way to use. The beak is black too, you know.
What?
I know. The beak is black too. So I'm going to colour in the Sharpie.
Okay, now with the pencil, color in the beak. Now we're going to write something. I made it for the tiger, but the bird keeps on taking it.
It's like the bird said it because there's no gene who said it. There's no gene.
Well, you know what we're going to do. You can write it here.
Should I just write it's like a boy?
Now we're going to do a dash. G, no. I believe you're right, Gina, like this. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!